students. Now we are going to discuss about B.Ed second year paper creating an inclusive school. Topic understanding the learning disabilities. Meaning of learning disabilities. Learning disabilities are lifelong process. It is due to genetic and neurobiological factors or injury that also alters brain functioning in a manner which affect one or more process related to learning. It refers to a number of disorders which may affect the organization, retention, understanding or use of verbal or non-verbal information. Then next topic is kinds of learning disabilities. First on dyslexia, second on dysgraphia, third on dyscalculia and the fourth one is dyspraxia. First on dyslexia. Meaning of dyslexia: a specific learning disability that differ occur on the learning processing skills. The severity can differ in each individual but can affect reading fluency, decoding, reading comprehension, recall, writing, spelling and sometimes speech, and can exist along with other related disorders. The severity can differ in each individual but can affect reading fluency, decoding, reading comprehension, recall, writing, spelling and sometimes speech, and can exist along with the related disorders. Dyslexia is sometimes referred to a language-based learning disability. Dyslexia is a chronic problem with reading. It is the common learning disabled people with a learning difference like dyslexia may have trouble with reading, writing, spelling, maths and sometimes music. Then symptoms of dyslexia: read slowly, experiences decoding errors especially with the order of letter, has trouble with the spelling, may have difficulty with the handwriting, has difficulty with the written word. Strategies of dyslexia: there are numerous programs, teaching aids, software packages, etc. that you can use with the students whenever you choose. If you are positive about it, then the people's confidence is improved. There is a greater change of success. Training should be multi-sensory, involving looking, listening, speaking, touching, etc. Then the next topic is dysgraphia. The term dysgraphia is taken as from Greek word dys meaning difficult and graphia meaning writing. Thus, dysgraphia literally means bad writing. It is also defined as learning disability with impairment in written expression, that is the inability to write. It affects a person's handwriting ability and fine motor skills. Then symptoms of dysgraphia: many have illegible printing and cursive writing, inconsistent spacing between words and letters, copying or writing is slow or labored, shows poor spatial planning and paper, has great difficulty thinking and writing at the same time. Then strategies of dysgraphia: give shorter written assignment, providing additional time for note taking, copying and test, starting project or assignment early, dictating some assignment or test using scribe, allowing abbreviation in some writing. Students should continue to work on improving their handwriting as it is an important skill and necessary in daily life. Then the next topic is dyscalculia, a specific learning disability that affects a person's ability to understand numbers and learn maths fact. Individuals with this type of learning disability may also have poor comprehension of math symbol, may struggle with memorizing and organizing numbers, have difficulty telling time or have trouble with counting. It affects a person's ability to understand numbers and numerals. Then symptoms of dyscalculia: has difficulty understanding and doing word problem, has difficulty sequencing information or even exhibit difficulty using steps involved in maths operation, shows difficulty understanding fraction, is challenged making change and handling money. Then strategies of dyscalculia: avoid creating anxiety for the student, establish the student's preferred learning style, teach more than one way to solve mathematical operation, explain new concept in a logical manner, limit copying from the board, directly teach the language of mathematics. Then the next topic is dyspraxia. Dyspraxia is a condition which can acquire or developmental children with a dyspraxia often have directly organized their bodies to perform the task they have organized and perform the task they want their bodies to do. They find the fine motor challenging and struggle to perform fluid, smooth movement with fine and control, a disorder that is characterized by directly in muscle control, which causes problem with movement and coordination, language and speech, and can affect learning although not a learning disability. Dyspraxia often exists along with dyslexia and dyscalculia. They face problem in movement, coordination, language, and speech. Symptoms of dyspraxia: shows difficulty with the motor planning, demonstrate inability to coordinate both sides of the body, has poor hand-eye coordination, exhibit weakness in the ability to organize self and belongings, slow possible sensitivity to touch. Then strategies of dyspraxia. There are some specific strategies you can employ in and outside the classroom to assist the student with dyspraxia. Reading the information load by providing instruction one at a time or as visual and auditory instruction. Avoiding situation where the student has to perform in front of the audience if they don't want to perform. Providing alternatives for handwriting tasks involving therapy, support services, and seeking advice when needed. These are the kinds of learning disabilities. Thank you.